In just a week, Ethereum is planning to wipe out 99% of its carbon footprint, a move that will substantially affect Bitcoin. People should consider the issue of cryptocurrency consumption when thinking about the world's biggest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. An example is Bitcoin, the world's largest cryptocurrency. Although the world is attempting to reduce energy consumption, Bitcoin requires more energy every year than medium-sized nations such as Argentina. If the Ethereum switch is successful, Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be under tremendous pressure to address this problem. It's hard to distinguish the critical stuff amid all the hype about cryptocurrencies. This month, if everything goes as planned, the energy-consuming digital sector will experience its biggest transformation in years. Having dropped to number 2 in cryptocurrency market capitalization, Ethereum is set to undergo a technology transition tomorrow, and the post-transition emissions should be 99% lower than before. The meteoric rise of cryptocurrencies in recent years has been breathtaking. Unfortunately, the huge quantity of electricity required to run the computers that buy and sell crypto coins has also contributed to climate change. The world's largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is an excellent example of how cryptocurrencies consume more energy each year than medium-sized countries like Argentina. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be under tremendous pressure if the Ethereum switch is successful in reducing energy consumption. What makes cryptocurrencies so environmentally unfriendly? People make direct online payments to each other in digital currency systems. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies are not controlled from a single location such as a central bank. They are controlled by a blockchain, a global network of high-powered computers that is decentralized and distributed. These computers are known as miners. The Reserve Bank of Australia provides this simple explanation of how everything operates, for conciseness. All users can see Alice's message in order to transfer 1 unit of cryptocurrency to Bob. A block of the most recent transactions is composed by compiling a bunch of recent transactions into it, or group. Miners solve cryptographic codes to add new blocks to the blockchain, which process turns the information into a code. When a miner solves the code, other network users verify and agree that the solution is correct. Once the new block of transactions has been appended to the blockchain, Alice's transaction is confirmed. Proof-of-work mining is the method utilized by most cryptocurrencies. A key design feature is the utilization of computations requiring large amounts of electricity and computer time. 150 terawatt-hours of electricity are consumed by Bitcoin alone each year, contributing to about 65 million tons of carbon dioxide being emitted into the atmosphere, roughly the same as Greece's emissions. According to studies, Bitcoin emissions last year were responsible for around 19,000 future deaths. Bitcoin uses how much energy as a selected country to compare? The purpose of proof of work is to consume energy inefficiently. Data in a blockchain has no inherent meaning, it merely records pointless, yet difficult, computations that serve as the basis for allocating new digital coins. There are a number of reasons why cryptocurrency consumes so much energy, but none of them holds water. Some justify cryptocurrency's carbon footprint by saying some miners use renewable energy. That may be true, but in doing so, they may displace other potential energy users, some of whom will have to utilize coal or gas-powered electricity. Ethereum, Bitcoin's most successful competitor, is switching gears this month. It will transition to a less environmentally harmful computing technology. What is being switched on/off? In place of proof of work, Ethereum proposes to use proof of stake as a consensus mechanism. Users stake large quantities of blockchain tokens, in this case, Ethereum coins, as collateral to validate crypto transactions. If the users behave dishonorably, they forfeit their stake. Users will take over the task of verifying transactions, rather than the multitude of supercomputers currently employed for that purpose, a simple endeavor. The removal of computer miners will consequently result in a 99% reduction in Ethereum's electricity usage. Smaller cryptocurrencies, like the ADA token traded on the Cardano platform, employ proof of stake but have been limited to the margins thus far. Ethereum has been running an experimental version of the new system for the past 12 months. However, the new model will be integrated into the platform this month. No place is safe for cryptocurrency. What is the significance of all this? The Ethereum experiment may fail if some stakeholders are able to manipulate the system. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will be forced to abandon the proof of work model or close down, if the switch is successful. Tesla founder Elon Musk last year said his company would no longer accept Bitcoin payments for its electric cars, citing the currency's environmental footprint as the reason. The legislature in New York passed a bill in June to prohibit certain Bitcoin operations that consume carbon-based energy. Governor Andrew Cuomo, who must sign the measure, can still veto it. The European Parliament recently rejected a measure to eliminate proof of work, which was proposed in March. Although Europe is approaching cooler months and is grappling with an energy crisis caused by Russian gas sanctions, energy-hungry cryptocurrencies will remain in the crosshairs. There is one thing that is clear: as the need to slash global emissions becomes ever more pressing, cryptocurrencies will run out of excuses for their egregious energy use.